Welcome to DelftStack. In this tutorial, we're diving into a key PowerShell concept, counting the length of arrays. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or an intermediate user looking to refine your skills, this video is for you. We'll walk through 3 different ways to count the elements in an array using the length property, the counts property, and the measure object cmDelete. We'll also discuss a common mistake to watch out for. Let's get started. Before we count elements, let's quickly go over what an array is. Think of it as a container that holds multiple values. These values can be of the same type or completely different. Creating an array in PowerShell is super simple. Just assign multiple values to a variable and separate them with commas. Remember, counting starts at 0. Now let's talk about counting elements. The easiest way is the length property. It directly returns the number of elements in the array. Let's see it in action. And just like that, PowerShell tells us there are 3 elements in the array. But wait, there's another way. The counts property works just as well. This method is often used in objects that support collections like arrays. Let's try it out. See? Same result. Either method works, so use whichever feels more natural to you. If you want something a little different, you can also use measure objects. This is useful when working with objects in pipelines. This method is great when you need additional statistical information. This method is great for more complex scripting scenarios, and it helps you extract extra info if needed. Now here's a common mistake. If you only have one item in your array, make sure to add a comma before it, otherwise PowerShell won't treat it as an array. With the comma in place, using length or counts will correctly return 1. So to wrap things up, we explored 3 different ways to count elements in an array: length, counts, and measure objects. The length and counts properties are straightforward and best for quick lookups, while measure objects is useful in advanced scenarios. Each one has its place, so choose what works best for you. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out our other PowerShell tutorials. We've got plenty more tips and tricks for you, and of course don't forget to like and subscribe.